Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 368M scooter. It's not just a bike, it's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. Meet the all-new 2026 Zontes 368M, a scooter that blurs the line between practicality and pure performance. Under the seat, you'll find a 368 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, delivering a punchy 39 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 40 newton-meters of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. That makes it one of the most powerful scooters in the sub-400cc class. The updated automatic CVT transmission with belt drive keeps things smooth. The newly designed transmission system is quieter, quicker to start and smoother to engage, while the 12-liter fuel tank and efficient Bosch injection system mean you'll cruise longer with fewer stops. On the road, the maintenance cycle is extended from 4,000 kilometers to 6,000 kilometers. The 368M feels agile thanks to its 175-kilogram wet weight, telescopic 41mm front inverted forks, can be adjusted for recovery damping and compression damping, with improved 5-stage preload twin rear shocks. The ride is more settled and adjustable to your individual needs. Braking is handled by front and rear discs with ABS, paired with premium J1 radial front calipers for confidence in every stop. Tech lovers will appreciate the 6.75-inch full-color TFT display, complete with smartphone connectivity, riding modes, traction control, heated handlebars, heated front seat, cruise control, and even USB-A and USB-C charging ports. And of course, the scooter is fully lit with LED headlights and indicators for modern style and safety. With its sporty design, traction control system, linked to the Bosch electronic throttle, and two ECU-mapped riding modes, T for town and S for sports, the Zontes 368M isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about enjoying every twist and turn along the way. So if you're looking for a scooter that combines style, power, and cutting-edge tech, the Zontes 368M is ready to raise the bar. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads.